Use an Allen wrench to remove the fixing screw of the crankshaft. Use special tools to remove the crankshaft. Remove the 4 fixing screws. Remove the controller and cover. Remove the PDL assistant sensor. Find controller 1. Disconnect the connection line of the PDL assistant sensor. Remove the connecting cable. Replace the sensor. Install connecting wires. Align the connecting line with the arrow and connect it. Organize wiring harnesses. Installing PDL assistant sensor. Installing the controller and cover. Installing the crankshaft. Tighten the screws. Replacement completed.